In this video, we are going to install Lasfit LDplus switchbacks. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. You can freely switch between white and yellow without any extra wiring. You simply turn them on and off. These would be best used as fog lights, but can be used as headlights as well. They are 400% brighter than halogen with a simple plug-and-play design. 3.11 inches tall with a base of 1.42 inches. There are 12 LEDs in each bulb, 6 of each color, 6 of white and 6 of amber. Each bulb gives out 3000 lumens at 30 watts. White is at 6000 K to help improve to see clearly in darkness. Yellow color temperature is at 3000 K to help penetrate through harsh weather such as snow and fog. Built with a copper substrate and an aluminum body design for better heat dissipation. 35mm double ball cooling fan to let out the heat quickly. 360-degree adjustable base when you install so that you have that perfect beam pattern for no glare or dark spots. This is your driver. It is canvas ready and polarity sensitive. All you have to do is align it and plug it in. And tighten. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. First thing you want to do is grab the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and pull out. Just like that. Now you want to grab Lasfit's bulb. Go ahead and push it in, align it, and then turn clockwise to tighten. Next, you want to go ahead and grab the plug and then plug it in. So these are polarity sensitive, so when you plug it in, wait for that snap and then try and turn it on. If it does not turn on, you just want to reverse this plug here. Now you want to repeat those steps to your other headlight. So now we have your lights. Typically they're better for fog lights, but I don't have fog lights, so the vehicle does not come with fog lights. So we're going to use it for our headlight. Right now, every time you turn it off and on, it defaults to your white light. If you turn it off and on quickly, then we can switch it to your yellow. Right now we have your white light. We're going to switch it to yellow. Yellow is good for cutting through thick fog or rain. Then if you want to switch it back, you can go ahead and flip a switch and we got it back to white. One more time. To yellow. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.